Hello and welcome to today's video. We are headed to Disney's Hollywood Studios. It is 2:30. A little bit later than we expected, but not too much later. You know, we just did Tron this earlier today and went back, refreshed. I did my makeup and, you know, ate a little bit. We have reservations at Roundup BBQ and we already have 4 Genie Plus lightning lanes. So we are ready to go and yeah, we're ready to go, and the park closes at 9, so we've got a good 6 hours. By the time we get in, we got a good 6 hours to do as much as we can, and we're gonna try and do as much as we can, plus eat sit-down dinner. So not a lot of time, but it's not a big park, thank God.
What does it say?
It says Hollywood Disney MGM Studio. That's right.
The original name.
Okay, we just did some pictures with Willie, who was awesome. Loved Willie. And now we're headed to our first lightning lane of the day at Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
So obviously the ride went down earlier because this is the lightning lane.
Hey, Mick and Minnie. The park's better with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Nothing can stop us now. I am so high.
Next lightning lane on our list is Tower of Terror. Here we go.
And actually it says it's only a 25-minute line. So I don't know if that's 25 minutes.
Okay, Ryder, how was Tower of Terror? It was awesome?
Yeah. Awesome.
And now we're headed to Rock and Roller Coaster for another lightning lane. I stacked them up pretty good.
Lightning lane for this one was 325 and it's 353.
And actually the wait is only a 40-minute and Tower of Terror was only a 25-minute wait. Ryder lost his magic band in January, so he's holding on to it. He lost it here. So Rock and Roller Coaster was awesome, really quick with the lightning lane, and now we're headed to Toy Story Mania, and that's it for our lightning lanes for now.
Lucky 7, lucky 7.
And about to do Toy Story Mania.
Welcome to practice game. Except for congratulations.
So while I was in line for Toy Story Mania, it came time for to book our next Genie Plus, and Slinky Dog Dash has been out all day. However, I kept refreshing and refreshing and refreshing, and one popped up literally for now. So awesome. And then now we just booked another one because this was our 5th. I don't know, 5th? Yeah, 5th. I don't know. We did really good at Genie Plus today, so tip for Genie Plus is to keep refreshing, and after this we have dinner in like 5 minutes. So unfortunately it's right around the corner.
Okay, you ready?
You ready to ride Slinky Dog Dash?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have dinner.
Yeah.
Worked out perfect. It is exactly 4:50 right now, which is our check-in time. Just not close enough. Ironically, I tried to check in, but we're not close enough to check in. So hopefully, as we get into Toy Story Land, I can check in. So we checked in, and I thought there was going to be a wait because there's a lot of people here. And we got the text right after that our table's ready. So now we're just waiting. The video for that's not me. We'll come back. This will be a separate video for the meal, and then we'll come back and do the rest of our day. So we are finishing up our meal at Roundup BBQ. Really good. I'll tell you what my husband just said. Go ahead. What did you say?
It was good. I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we saw it. I'm glad we ate here. We'll never do it again.
It was expensive, but really good. Really good. A lot of fun. AC's great. So we are now headed to, I have a Genie Plus or Lightning Lane for alien swirling saucers, which after eating probably is not the most wisest decision, but that's where we're gonna go. And then we have a individual lightning lane for Rise of the Resistance. And then pretty soon we have the next, we can choose for our next Genie Plus. So it's been very successful, and it's 6:12. And we've done a lot, and we got here at 3:30. You know, so yeah, let's go to the alien swirling saucers. Okay, so we are departing the hottest land in this park, Toy Story, and now we're headed to
Galaxy's Edge.
We just missed Ray and Chewbacca just walked by. So it's time for our individual lightning lane on Rise of the Resistance, and then we have a Genie Plus for Millennium Falcon after this, like 15 minutes. So it's 6:35 now, and we have that Genie Plus at 6:50.
Deck is in motion.
Resistance sympathizers. This vessel is now under the command of the First Order.
Stay back.
Yeah. Don't worry about resistance. We're gonna rescue. Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at the front row. Right in the path.
Lieutenant will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
And the resistance.
Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
So everything in Rise of the Resistance, with the exception of the first transport ship, was working. All the, like, it didn't seem like it was in beam mode, but the transport ship didn't move at all. So that was kind of weird. But other than that, everything was working, which was great.
Okay, and now we're headed to the Millennium Falcon, and it is 7:04. Our lightning lane was at 6:50. Perfect timing.
Ryder and I are the pilots. It's going to be a bumpy ride, right?
Oh yeah.
Weapons are online.
Ryder, the booster, the booster.
Let's go get that coaxium. Nice pilot. Make the jump to
Do it, honey, do it.
Where is it?
Do it, do it. Yeah.
Now we're on Star Tours, and pretty much we've gotten all the Genie Plus lightning lanes today.
So he's going to build his own lightsaber. These are $30. These are not like the big ones.
Okay.
You want the double light? Yeah. Ooh, I like that one, buddy.
Okay, there you go.
And you built your own?
There you got it. Okay, let's go pay for it. Okay, come on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo.
Okay, so he did it, and it with the 30% discount, it ended up being like $22.35. So super quick, and it was cheaper, and it wasn't too bad for the price. You know, it's normally $29.99, but there's a 30% discount for annual pass holders right now. And Ryder was upset that he didn't get to put us into Lightspeed, so we're headed back to Millennium Falcon. We can't get another lightning lane, so we're gonna wait in line, but the line doesn't seem, it doesn't seem to be that long. It wasn't that long when we were there, so now we're gonna go back. It is 8 o'clock, and we're going back to try and ride Millennium Falcon. so he can put us into Lightspeed. There's Ray and the other person, I forgot her name.
And the wait time is only 35 minutes, so not too bad.
Like Violet, made the jump to light speed. Right here. Pull, pull, pull. You got it, you got it, you got it. Good job.
You did it!
Are you ready for the last ride of the night? What's the last ride of the night? Tower of Terror. Rock and roller coaster still down.
Fantasmic's at 9:15 and it is packed. Now we didn't walk in until 8:55. It's now 9 to 7. It's packed. It's only one show. And as you can see, we're like right in the corner, but we're like, I guess, second row.
You excited to see Fantasmic again?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite part? I like the fire.
Well, this is my dream. Some imagination, huh?
So this is the end of our Hollywood Studios day, which it's actually the next day because I totally forgot to do an outro. But we had a great time. Did you have a good time in the Hollywood Studios?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Fantasmic.
Fantasmic. Yeah, Fantasmic was great. Yeah, it was a great day, and we got to do a lot of stuff. The only downside was that Rock and Roller Coaster went down for like pretty much the last 2 hours of the night, but we did get to do it at least once. So, but yeah, we got to do Millennium Falcon twice. We did Tower of Terror twice. We did Rise of the Resistance. We did everything. We pretty much did everything. I don't think we did not do a ride. I think we did everything. So that was great. Did a lot, you know, in 6.5, 7 hours. But that's it. So if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Say bye.
Bye.